Here is a very short video on mastering the art of prompting. Most of us are still using AI just like a search engine. Here is a quick 10-slide overview of how we can shift from bad prompting to good prompting. Prompting for research and insights. A bad prompt is, what is AI? So this is what normally we type in Google. But instead, explain AI in 3 paragraphs. First paragraph for a 10-year-old, second for a university student, and third for a business executive. You will get 3 diverse perspectives, and this is not normally possible in a search engine, isn't it? Next, structuring complex questions. How do I start a business? Instead, we can ask, list 5 steps to start an online business selling digital products. For each step, include 2 tools to help. See this? Next, leveraging AI to think better. Give me ideas for a marketing campaign. Instead, we can ask, brainstorm 5 creative marketing campaign ideas for a small bakery targeting health-conscious millennials in India. Include social media angles and influencer ideas. Next, framing for outcomes. Write a product description. Instead, we can say, write 100-word product description for an eco-friendly yoga mat. Use persuasive language. Highlight unique features and appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Designing prompts from first principles. Bad prompt can look like this. Explain how email marketing works. Instead, we can ask, explain how email marketing works for a B2B SaaS company. Cover 1 lead nurturing, 2 segmentation, 3 conversion tracking in under 500 words. Next, setting clear constraints. Bad one, write a blog post about AI. A good prompt is, write a 1000-word blog post for beginners on how small businesses can use AI chatbots. Use simple language, 3 examples, and 5 actionable tips. Next, writing a job description. A bad prompt is, write a job description for a developer. Instead, write a job description for a React developer at a fast-growing fintech startup. Highlight 1 collaborative culture, 2 flexible hours, 3 remote friendly. Target mid-level developers with 3+ years experience. See the difference? Building chain of thought. Okay, so there's multiple prompting. Write me a sales email. Instead, we can ask, what top 3 pain points does my target customers have? Then draft a short email that addresses those pain points and offers my solution. Now here, based on the response from the first, you can refine the first prompt itself to get the proper 3 points that you are looking for. Then lastly, rewrite in a friendly, casual tone. Okay, so that is the chain of thought prompting. Next is client onboarding sequence example. So instead of write an onboarding email, we can say, what emotions might new clients feel in the first week? How can I help them feel welcome and confident? Write the first onboarding email with a warm tone and clear next steps. Partnering with AI. So that is treating AI as a partner. Instead of generating a marketing strategy, you can say, you can use a meta prompt. Before generating a strategy, ask me questions you need to fully understand my business, audience, and goals. Then create the strategy. So you say, generate a marketing strategy. In continuation of that prompt, you can say, before generating a strategy, ask me any questions you need to fully understand my business, audience, and goals. Then create the strategy. That is called meta prompt. Then next, learning with AI. Teach me Python. Instead of that, we can say, create a 5-day beginner-friendly Python learning plan. For each day, list 3 concepts to learn, 1 coding exercise, and 1 resource link. See, so beautiful it is. Last one, design workflows with AI. Help me with time management. Instead, we can say, design a daily workflow for a solopreneur managing client projects, content creation, and marketing. Include morning routine, deep work blocks, and AI tools to automate tasks. I hope this short video has given us some clarity on how to prompt, and please give your valuable comments and remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.